Hi everyone, welcome to the introductory video of opportunitynearme.com. Most of you may not know about this platform yet, so let me quickly walk you through it. Opportunitynearme.com is powered by ITE YONik Services, a company that has been providing quality skill training programs for over a decade. We specialize in both technical and non-technical training and also provide globally recognized certification programs designed for students, professionals, and corporate. To get started, simply type opportunitynearme.com. That's OPPORTUNITYNEARME.com. Right on the home page, the first thing you will notice is the search bar. Here you can search for any course or training. For example, type Python, and you will instantly see multiple training programs and certification programs related to Python. Scroll down a little, and you will see domains. These are like categories. They group programs into areas such as IT, business, management, and more, making it easy for you to explore what's relevant to your career goals. We offer flexible training modes like online live training, classroom sessions, on site corporate training, and self paced learning. Plus, we have created career bundles like Career Starter, Professional Growth, Corporate, and Startup. So you get a cost effective outcome driven learning path. Furthermore, you will see our testimonials, real success stories from learners who train with us, and right below a section of for upcoming webinars. Most of these webinars are free to join, so you can easily enroll and learn from our experts. We are proud of our milestones: 1,000 plus professionals trained, 30 plus alliances, 50 plus courses, and growing every month. So, what makes us unique? Expert led training, AI driven learning material, vendor certification plus custom crafted courses, affordable, scalable, and outcome oriented programs, hands on projects and job ready skills, trusted by corporates and institutions globally. Finally, if you would like to get in touch, simply click the WhatsApp icon at the bottom right of the site, call us directly, or fill out the contact us form. We usually respond within one business day. So that's a quick overview of opportunitynearme.com. Go ahead and explore the platform, check out the training programs, and enroll in the one that fits your career path. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and for more updates, tutorials, and career guidance videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.